Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you have finished designing your website and you are ready to make it live, this video will show you exactly how to publish a Webflow site in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go and look for webflow.com. After tapping on this link, it will take you automatically to the Webflow maybe designer or their homepage, where you should usually just log in using your email address and password. If you are on the homepage or dashboard, just tap on your website or open designer and it will open this new window or new tab for you. So it's time now to actually check if everything is looking good. Go to pages, about, contacts. Basically check if every page is looking good. You can even check the CMS collection pages, the utility pages for all four problems pages, whatsoever. Make sure everything is fine. Go to this publish button, tap on publish, then publish to selected domain. You can even add a custom domain if you want to by tapping add a custom domain, then tap on allow here and it will open a new basically huge window here where you should just go basically and pick a plan. So if you are a starter, you basically on this one it's $0 per month. So the most popular is this CMS, basically built yearly. You just gonna go and check the $23 per month. I think it's a good deal. So go ahead and pick it. Tap on upgrade to CMS, then come back to actually publish on your custom domain. So after this, by tapping publish, confirm the publish, then wait for publishing. Publishing usually takes a few seconds. You can also visit your live site by opening the domain to confirm it's fully live. And that's the main idea. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.